Hey y'all, this is Nathan Standridge with Iron and Pine, and today I am packing up one of our signature farmhouse tables, getting ready to bring it to its new home in Black Mountain. So before I do that, I just wanted to take a second and show you the table, because all of these tables can be custom ordered and custom made. I have so much 80-year-old barnwood, it's ridiculous. So let's take a look. So this is Iron and Pine's industrial farmhouse table. As you can see, this is aged pine wood that has been completely kiln-dried, and all the cracks in the void have been filled. So as you can see right here, the sheen, the light bouncing off of the table, the sheen is perfect. It's a perfect satin finish. From first glance, it might look like there might be still some holes in the woodworking, but as you can see from that sheen, it's perfect. It's really perfect. And what I really love about this wood is this aged pine. Usually pine looks like this. It's really light in color. It has all these different slanted knots. But when you start getting into aged pine, this is what you get. Like these greens that came out. What this is old water damage, and once it's dried out, it like brings out beautiful color in the wood. You get over here, these type of greens, just gorgeous. This was probably the sugar wood or softwood, and you can tell because this is where the bugs have chosen to chew their way through the wood. It's what they love to eat. And what I've done with all this barnwood is I put it in a kiln, completely dried it, brought the internal temperature up to 130 degrees for 4 hours, and it kills all the larvae, any bugs that have ever been in the wood. And after it comes out of the kiln, after I flatten it up, I use this epoxy and I fill all the holes, and it just makes it look beautiful. These ones right here, this kind of looks like a little bit of a beach, you know? But anyways, we got the aged pine. For this table, I chose to use the Mermaid blue epoxy resin. But if you want to order one of these tables, you tell me what color you want it, and I can do whatever you want. Obviously on the bottom, I have industrial iron. And these are iron piping. It would probably be used for irrigation systems or plumbing systems. But I just think that it's gorgeous on the farmhouse table. If you know of anyone that would like to have one of our beautiful tables in their home, send them to ironandpinewoodworking.com, or you can follow us on Instagram at ironandpinewoodworking to see more pictures of the products that we're offering. Thank you for watching this short little video, and please spread the word. All right, thank you very much.